All right, let's look at this problem together. So an urn contains 10 balls, 4 red and 6 blue. A second urn contains 16 red and an unknown number of blue. A single ball is drawn from each. The probability that both balls are the same color is 0.44. Calculate the number of blue balls in the second urn. A lot of information. Let's try to sort it out. That's why I like pictures wherever I can. So this is going to be urn 1. This will be urn 2. Urn 1 and urn 2. So we have 4 red in the first one, 16 red in the second one. 6 blue. Oops. Let's make that blue. 6 blue in the first, and here's our unknown number of blue in that second urn. Now, a single ball is drawn from each, and we want to know the probability of both balls are the same color is 0.44. So that's going to be the probability they're both red plus the probability that they're both blue. That's either way that if either of those scenarios happen, they're the same color. And we're given that that is 0.44. All right, well, let's calculate the probability that they are both red. So we could say that's the probability that it's red. They're both red from the first urn, and they're both red from the second urn. These are clearly independent events because the balls are independent from one urn to the next. So this is going to be the probability they're red from the first urn times the probability they're red from the second urn. First one's easy. It's 4 out of 10. The second one, we got to deal with x here. So it's 16 out of 16 plus x. All right. The probability that they're both blue, similar. That's the probability they're blue from the first urn and blue from the second urn. Also independent, so we can just multiply these probabilities. And here it is 6 out of 10 times x out of 16 plus x. So now we're going to sum those up. So 4/10 times 16 over 16 plus x plus 6/10 times x over 16 plus x. All of that is 0.44. And we just need to solve for x because we're asked to figure out the number of blue balls in the second urn. Let's get rid of this fraction. So we're going to multiply by 10 times 16 plus x, and that leaves 64 here, plus 6x equals, when I multiply this by 10, I get 4.4 times 16 plus x. All right, and this simplifies to 70.4 plus 4.4x. You have 64 plus 6x on this side. So we move all our x's to one side. We get 1.6x over here. Move the 64 over, and we get 6.4 over here. Dividing both sides by 1.6, we get x is equal to 4. So A is our correct answer.